The Nora Store served its community from 1907 to 1962, offering a variety of products. This was a busy place in those days, with the creamery across the road until it burned down in the 40s. After the store closed, Mike Pedersen purchased the building and began to fix it up. Very few of these country store buildings remain in their original form, and Mike wants to preserve it as a form of rural Americana. The Nora Store is listed on the National Register of Historic Places. In 1989, Mike received the donation of a pipe organ, which he reassembled and brought back to life in the Nora Store building. Some of his friends thought he was crazy to invite people to come sing together at the Nora Store. But now it's been 31 years already of Christmas at Nora, making joy-filled memories for countless people coming to sing Christmas carols together around the organ and the pot-belly stove. Mike has never charged admission fees to join the celebrations. Donations are welcomed, but have not kept up with the expenses of maintaining the 115-year-old building. I am a friend of Mike and the Nora Store, and I am setting up this GoFundMe page to help encourage donations to help preserve the Nora Store and Christmas at Nora for the future. Mike has tried to sustain the building's maintenance with his own funds to supplement donations, but he needs some help with this. Mike continues his house painting business, remarking that, "I don't see the word retirement in the Bible. But at 70 years old, I'm not as old as the store, but I'm in almost as bad shape." Mike is grateful for the support and encouragement that he has received as he recovered from cancer. But being self-employed makes medical expenses extra challenging. Some of the needs to maintain the Nora Store include: the beam over the front porch roof needs to be replaced at a cost of $5,000. Siding needs to be repaired or replaced for $7,500. The electrical system of the store needs upgrading at $6,000. Painting and recoating the flat roof area will cost $5,000. A new well is needed, estimated at $13,000. And I would like to help be sure Mike's ongoing medical expenses are covered as well, with a goal of $3,500 to assist with this. This all adds up to a goal of $35,000. Let's all join together to contribute towards this goal to support Mike in preserving the Nora Store, Christmas at Nora, and helping Mike with the expenses of ongoing medical needs. Thank you very much.